Welcome back to WayKen Rapid Manufacture channel. My name is TJ here. In the world of industrial manufacturing, precision measurement is critical. Meeting the demanding requirement for high precision parts is a challenge faced by every manufacturer. This is a part with intricate geometry, complex angles, and challenge depths. Traditional measurement methods just don't cut it. How can we verify if the part meets the precision requirement of the joint then? The ZEISS Bridge coordinate mirroring machine, the ultimate solution in industrial metrology, as our reliable assistant for data inspection. My colleague is doing product inspection right now. We have other quality checking tools and machines. So let me ask him why he prefers using this one for measuring these parts. Alright, here is what I've just found out from my colleague. This part looks simple, but measuring it is pretty tricky. This cylinder is super important. The positions of these three side holes and the symmetry and perpendicularity of these two slots all depends on the axis of the cylinder. To build the axis, we have to take several reference points at different depths on the curved surface of the cylinder. The side holes and slots, which rely on the axis, are on the same level as the cylinder and are in tight spots. This is where our ZEISS Bridge CMM really shines. With a rotating head, this ZEISS Bridge CMM has exceptional angular rotation capability, offering an incredible 5,184 different spatial angle positions, allowing us to continuously measure along these curved surfaces. Such a deep, narrow area is typically difficult to assess, let alone accurately measure. However, with this ZEISS Bridge CMM, which can be mounted with a long probe as small as 0.3 mm in diameter, most small and challenging structures can be measured with ease. The ZEISS Bridge CMM offers excellent measurement accuracy with a precision of up to 0.002 mm, making it ideal for reliable verifying the accuracy of precision medical and aerospace parts. After completing the measurements, we give our clients detailed professional inspection reports. This helps ensure transparency and builds confidence in the results. With this top-notch equipment in our arsenal, do you feel more confident in our machining and inspection capability? Let's team up. Contact us today to explore how we can work together. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumb up. See you next time. Bye-bye.